So the lighting prevented me from getting a good still picture. So this video camera is letting me actually see the bumps. They really aren't red, but there are, the way that the camera is picking things up, she looks more pigmented than she really is. There's that one little patch where they're a little bit more intense on her cheek, or a lot more of them. She's mad at me. So this is the sloughing off of her darker chemo skin that I'm talking about. It's kind of an odd pattern here. That's just scabs from her clamps getting her skin. And that's her chest tube incision, her scar. But you can see the little bumps are just kind of everywhere. Here's her arm. And they really are not as pink as the camera is showing.